Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So you clicked on this video because you have been on the fence of starting your healthy natural hair journey and you just don't know where to start, what to buy to get started. I know you've been watching so many wash day routines and moisture routines and you're like, okay, what all do I need to get this process started? So I will be guiding you through everything you need as a newly natural or newly healthy hair enthusiast to start your healthy hair journey. So the first section is going to go over hair care. So there are different pillars of things you're going to need. So hair care is going to consist of the products you use to nourish your hair on a regular basis. So in the hair care section, the first thing you will need is cleansers. So cleansers are going to be in the form of a shampoo. So you're not just going to need one shampoo, but actually two shampoos to start your healthy hair journey. The first shampoo you're going to need is a moisturizing shampoo. So you want to make sure this shampoo is very gentle. It is rich, creamy, sulfate free. Those are the things you want to look for. This is the shampoo you're going to be using on a regular basis, most likely weekly if you do wash your hair in that frequency. This shampoo is going to remove dirt without stripping your hair. So the key for maintaining healthy natural hair is retaining moisture in the hair. So the second shampoo you are going to need is a clarifying shampoo. So this is a deep cleanse shampoo. This shampoo you're not going to be using as often as your moisturizing shampoo. You're probably going to be using it once a month or less, depending on your hair porosity once you learn it down the line. So this clarifying shampoo is going to also be sulfate free, or you can choose to go the sulfate route if you want super deep cleanse. But now so many brands have come out with sulfate free clarifying shampoo that actually gives a super deep cleanse. So this shampoo is going to strip everything from your hair. It is going to be like a hard reset for your hair, which is important for making sure that your hair continue to absorb your conditioners and oils and all of the nutrients from your other products. So the second products in the hair care section you're going to need are conditioners. So you are going to need 3 different conditioners. So these conditioners are all going to serve different purposes just like your shampoos. So the first conditioner you're going to need, which is non-negotiable when you're beginning, is a moisturizing rinse out conditioner. So this rinse out conditioner is going to be a conditioner that you use a lot. I would say a lot for those days when you don't go into deep conditioning your hair. You want something, or maybe you just have a quick wash day where you don't really have the time to deep condition, but you just want to wash your hair. A rinse out conditioner is a must have. This conditioner doesn't contain any protein or very little. If it does, it is more for providing your hair with slip and moisture instantly in the shower, and you rinse it out within 5 minutes. So the second conditioner you're going to need is a moisturizing deep conditioner or a moisturizing treatment. So this treatment is going to go in and deeply nourish and hydrate your hair from deep within the cortex. It is unlike the rinse out conditioner that just coats your cuticles and smooth it down. This one is going to be doing the deep work of your healthy hair journey. This deep conditioning treatment that you're going to buy is going to keep your hair very resilient and have that elasticity to retain length and stay healthy. So the third conditioner you're going to need is a protein-based deep treatment or a protein deep conditioner. So if you can see, I'm using the words deep conditioner and treatment interchangeably because some brands, they use them differently. Some brands may use deep conditioner, some brands may use treatment, but they're both the same category of products. So your protein deep conditioner is going to strengthen your hair. It is going to add a lot of resilience again to your hair, but the resilience is not going to be like elasticity resilience or moisture resilience. It is going to be strength resilience that stops your hair from snapping as easily. And your protein deep conditioner works hand in hand with your moisture deep conditioner to keep your hair nice and strong, but also flexible at the same time. So one without the other will create an imbalance. So that is why you need both deep conditioners on hand. So unlike your moisturizing deep conditioner, you are not going to be using your protein deep conditioner as often, dependent on your hair porosity, again, when you discover it later on in your hair journey. So the third category of hair care products you're going to need is a styler. So since you're just starting out, you want to stick with one styler, and once you learn your hair porosity or you see how your hair reacts to it, then you can go ahead and experiment later on. But I would say the most safe styler to start out with is a hair mousse. So a styler is going to allow you to set your hair into different curly styles. So whether you're going to opt for wash and goes or twist outs or braid outs or rod sets, roller sets, a styler is a universal product that allows the hair to set and last long and give it that nice crispy finish. So the third category of products you're going to need, or hair care products you're going to need, is a post-wash care. So post-wash care is going to fall under like leave-in conditioners, and I would say an oil, even though it is base, but yeah, a leave-in conditioner. So you're going to need a moisture-based leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is going to provide manageability, slip, and moisture to your hair. So you're also going to need an oil. An oil is important after your leave-in conditioner because it seals in moisture in your hair. So it slows down the evaporation of the moisture leaving your hair after you use your leave-in conditioner or after you moisturize throughout the week. So for midweek care, this also falls under hair care. You're going to also you can double your leave-in conditioner and your oil as your midweek care. So you can use your leave-in conditioner as a moisturizer to save money. I don't think you need a separate moisturizer if you already have a leave-in conditioner, since they both do the same thing. As long as your leave-in conditioner is not a styler, it shouldn't have any holding agents, then you're good using it as a moisturizer. So you already have a moisturizer, you have your oil, your sealant. So now we're going to move on to hair tools you are going to need to start your journey. So of course you want to protect your hair. So you can choose between the two. You can get a satin hair bonnet or a satin pillowcase or a satin scarf. So it all depends on how you wear your hair. So if you plan on wearing your hair out into an afro, I would recommend a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase. If you plan on wearing like braids or twists, flat twists, then a satin scarf will be a better protection. So make sure that you have some sort of satin or silk type of material to sleep on when you're going to bed. This is going to prevent your hair from drying out. It is going to allow your hairstyles to last longer so that your wash days can be worth it and efficient at holding on to that all the moisture you put into it. You don't want your wash days to be a waste. So for hair tools, you're also going to need a wide tooth comb. So wide tooth comb or detangling comb is going to be a gentle tool that you use to separate your hair, remove shedded hair when you wash your hair. You also want to get a rat tail comb. A rat tail comb is great for effectively parting the hair. So depending on hairstyles that you do, you want that rat tail comb as an option there. So I would also recommend a spray bottle. So if you know, natural hair needs a lot of moisture, especially when we style our hair daily and switch to styles and all of that. You want to always have a spray bottle that you can access very quickly and just quickly spray your hair with water versus having to wet your hands and go into the shower. It's just too messy. A spray bottle just makes it a lot easier. So you're also going to need some sectioning clips. Sectioning clips is going to make it a lot easier for you to part your hair. It's going to make it a lot easier for you to style your hair without other pieces of hair interfering with the section you're working with. So I almost forgot to mention that you are going to need some plastic processing caps. Yes. So for your deep conditioning treatments, you want to have something that you can cover with your hair. Make sure that it is plastic material. This is going to allow your deep conditioner, your treatments to deeply penetrate, not just sit on your hair. So pick up some plastic caps while you're shopping as well. So I would say you are so lucky if you're starting your healthy hair journey today, because there are so many hair care brands that can deliver all of these products specifically. Basically, all of them have different products or different types of products that you can choose from within those brands. So the category of products I list, you can find them in different brands because everyone is different. Everyone has a different budget. Everyone has a different hair type. So it's up to you to now experiment and go ahead and try, the brand that you intuitively feel drawn to try for starting your healthy hair journey. It's so many brands, so the brand doesn't really matter when it comes to starting your healthy hair journey. Just start. That's all you have to do. Just go. If you see a deep conditioner from the brand, just get it. It may work for you, it may not, because the product I recommend to you may work for me, but it may not work for you. You see? So a natural hair journey is just all about experimenting and finding your unique product that works for you. Just as long as you have the basics, you're good. So that is it for all of the things you need to start your natural hair journey today. And I hope that this tool guide was helpful to you. Let me know, what products are you missing from your starter kit? Did you get started? And let me know if you're starting your healthy hair journey in 2025. There's nothing wrong with that. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a beautiful start to your natural hair journey and that your hair flourishes and grows and becomes so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos.